Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. In today's video I got a very important update about the Kling AI subscription plan. And trust me, if you're thinking about joining my AI Cinematic Academy, you'll definitely want to hear this. I'll also share where I've been over the last few weeks and what's been happening behind the scenes. So grab a coffee and let's dive in. People in my AI Cinematic Academy using Kling AI, and Kling AI has made some changes to its subscription plan. Previously, unused credits from the previous month were always rolled over to the next month. Recently, unused credits have been expiring. Now let me show you some example here in my own plan. Let's go to Kling AI here, and then you can find the plan here if you go to video and click here to the credits, and then you can see here the credit activity, consumed credits, and the credits you have purchased here. Let me show you, these are the expired credits. Okay, you can see on June 25 I purchased a membership with 8,000 credits. Okay, that was the one of the biggest memberships there. And you can see here 1 month later, it was not here, no, I didn't use all of them, but here you can see at July 26 expired credits I got 6,335, and the credits, my unused credits, I can't use it anymore. And I paid 80 USD for that, for this plan, and I didn't know that my credits are expired there, and that was yeah, not so good. And then after that I purchased credits here, but not a plan, only the credits. Just let me show you now, because this is something new there that I got now. When you go to upgrade plan here, you can see the yearly or the monthly based, and I got this plan, the premier plan, with 8,000 credits, and then I used only almost like 1,700, and then the 6,335 credits are expired. And one more thing, a new thing they got now, you can purchase now credits here. Go here to details. No, it is not this. Let me show you credits. Here you can see, and you can purchase, you can start with 5 USD, you get 330 credits, or with 10 USD you get 660, or then with 20. And I made this, it was my last purchase here, and for 50 USD, and you get some bonus here of 200 bonus credits there. And these credits are not expiring. You can see your transfer withdrawal 2 years already open, but okay. Yeah, and this is the different now here. If you don't know this, take care, because if you made a big plan, one of the big plans, and then you didn't use your credits, then it is really bad. If you do it, if you purchase them on a monthly based, the plan, then you will lose your credits, okay? Now, if you ask where I have been all the last time, I've been working on my next AI project, and honestly it took me deeper than I ever expected. A lot of you know me for my AI video work, the cinematic tutorials, the tools, the masterclasses, but while I was creating all of that, I realized something was missing. Something that gives every video, every scene, every moment its real emotion, the music. So I thought, why not make my own? At first it was just meant to be a simple background music for my videos, not crazy, just some vibey loops, some atmospheric paths, something to support the story. But you know how it is. Once you start experimenting with AI, one idea becomes 2, 2 ideas becomes 10, and suddenly you're on a full-blown creative journey. I started playing around with AI-generated theme music. I tested different styles from cinematic to ambient to deep house. I tried emotional pianos, festival drops, warm pads, aggressive bass lines, and it was shocking how fast the results started improving. Every time I made a new clip, it immediately sparked another idea. It was like the AI was throwing creative fuel on the fire. And at some point I stopped and thought, wait, what if I could actually try to make a real track? Not just a background loop, but a full EDM banger. So I gave it a shot. And something happened that I absolutely didn't expect. The track turned out good, like better than expected good. Good enough that I played it back and thought, okay, this can't stay just a little experiment. This needs to become something bigger. That was the exact moment where the project started to take on a life on its own. I began working on one song after another. Different moods, different energies, festival vibes, Ibiza club vibes, melodic themes, emotional build-ups, heavy drops, and I wanted every track to feel like a part of my own creative evolution. Some days I made 2 or 3 tracks. Some days I reworked the same melody for hours. But every time the AI and I built something together. It gave me this crazy feeling of, wow, this is really happening. And what shocked me the most, the entire EDM album came together in just a few days. Not weeks, not months, days. When I listened back to the full album the first time, it honestly felt unreal. Because I know how long DJs and producers usually work on a full album. I know how difficult it is to shape your own sound. But AI changed the entire process. It didn't replace me, it amplified me. It took what I had in my mind and helped me to turn it into something bigger, cleaner, more powerful. So then I asked myself the next question. If I already have the album, why not publish it? I started looking for a publisher and to my own surprise, everything went incredibly fast. Faster than anything I expected. Before I even had time to process what was happening, the album was approved, and then suddenly my first EDM album was officially online. On Spotify, on Apple Music, on YouTube Music, everywhere. Seeing my artist profile pop up, seeing the cover, seeing the songs officially there, that was one of the wildest feelings I've ever had a long time. Not because I ever planned to be a DJ or a music producer, but because this showed me once again how powerful this AI era really is. You can literally reinvent yourself in a matter of days. You can go from idea to reality faster than ever before. And the tools we have today allow us to create things that used to require teams, studios, budgets, and years of learning. And that's exactly why I wanted to share this with you. Not just to say, hey, I made an album, but to show you what's possible and when you stop overthinking and start building. If AI can help me create a full EDM album in a few days, imagine what it can help you build. A video, a brand, a business, a song, a character, a story, a whole new identity if you want. We're living in a time where creativity is no longer limited by skill. It's only limited by imagination and by the courage to start. And just to be clear, when you listen to the album, you hear exactly what I mean. You feel the progression, you feel the energy, you feel how every track carries a different vibe, from festival-ready drops to dreamy melodies to heavy club anthems. The crazy part is when I finished everything and listened through the whole album one last time, I geniusly surprised myself. I didn't expect it to sound this complete, this polished, this alive. So here is my invitation to you. Go check it out now, tracks a listen, put on your headphones or play it in your car. You'll be surprised, probably the same way I was when I first heard it. And whether you're into EDM, AI music production, or you just want to see what's possible, this album is the proof that we're entering a whole new level of creativity. I'm not stopping here, by the way. This is just the beginning. And I'm already thinking about the next project, the next experiment, and the next combination of AI tools that push creativity even further. Because once you see what's possible, you can't unsee it. You can't go back. You just want to build more. So yeah, that's where I've been. Working in silence, experimenting, testing, building, and creating something I didn't even know I had in me. AI didn't replace me, it expanded me, and I'm here to show you how you can do the same. Now, go check the album, it's live on Spotify, Apple Music and YouTube Music. I can't wait to hear what you think, and stay tuned because the next AI project is already loading.
If you found this tutorial was helpful, give a like and subscribe to our channel.